There's an old building in New York where the lifts were very slow. So much that the residents constantly kept complaining to the landlord, saying that if you don't make the lifts any faster, we're going to cancel our leases and leave the building. Now, of course, a bunch of engineering companies were called to solve the problem. Someone recommended that they will have to break down 2 or 3 floors to install newer lifts. Another person recommended that the motors of the lifts be removed so that newer, faster motors could be installed. Now, of course, all these solutions were exorbitantly priced and were not feasible. Then came a psychologist who said, how much time do people really have to wait for the lifts to actually make them so irritated with the slow lifts? Turns out people were waiting just about 2 minutes. So the problem wasn't that the lifts were slow, it was just that people were absolutely bored in those 2 minutes, which was leading to them becoming irritable. So the psychologist recommended that instead of changing the lifts, why don't you just install mirrors in the lift lobby? And well, the moment they made that change, all the complaints disappeared. Which actually tells you that so many times we're in a rush to find a solution to the problem rather than focusing on clearly defining the problem itself. Think about it and share it with someone who may need it.